Hi everyone, welcome to our Yarn Wrapped Hearts program. I am Miss Lauren, and today I'm going to walk you through step by step how to create some really fun and unique hearts for Valentine's decorations, to use on gifts, whatever you want to do. So what you will need is some cardboard, you'll need some yarn, some scissors, and some tape. So first things first, before I turned on the camera, I traced out some hearts onto this cardboard. So the first thing we are going to do is we are going to cut them out. And the thing about cardboard is it is kind of hard to cut. All I did was I used a box cutter and I cut a flap off of one of the cardboard boxes that we had here at the library. Unfortunately, we don't have any boxes to give you because we do need them. This one was just good for the example. Okay, so we've got one heart. Okay, almost done. So we are going to actually start with the red yarn. Move this aside. And this says stuff on the back, but it doesn't even matter. What you have to do to start is you are going to take a piece of your red yarn and you're going to tape it just like that. So I don't know what happened to our tape dispenser, so I'm just going to cut these on my own. And then we are going to go from there. So it's taped down. And don't worry, it's going to get covered up. So what we're going to do is we are just going to wrap it up. Just like this. If you go around for my yarn wrapped letters, very similar. So we're going to make it nice and thick, just like this. So we're going to actually go in the middle like this to wrap it up. And we're going to make it so that there are no brown spaces. Just so it looks really cool like that. Keep wrapping, keep wrapping. You're probably going to need quite a bit of yarn for this. We're going to go like this way, and we're actually going to go around it like this. Just to get it really good and thick and make sure that we can wrap it all around our heart. So just like that. And once we're happy with how these look, we are going to just tie a knot in the back. And then we'll make a little loop. Okay. So I really like using yarn for projects because it's very easy cleanup. And if you've seen any of my programs, you know that I can be just, a little bit messy as I'm unwrapping all of my heart. Huh. Okay, I'm gonna keep going like that. And we're gonna make sure we get all around. So I'm gonna pause it and then we are gonna finish this off. Okay, so I have our heart all wrapped up, and doesn't it look so nice? So what we're gonna do is we are gonna cut a piece of this off just like so. We are gonna tie a knot, and then we're gonna tuck the knot into our heart so that it does not come undone. So there's a knot. I'm going to do it double. And we are going to go over here, and we're just going to tuck it in right here. Just like that, and it won't come undone. So we have our heart, and I will show you guys how we are going to make it so that it will hang. So we're going to find a piece of yarn that we can kind of push our single piece through, and then we'll just tie it like so. And there you go, guys. Here's our yarn wrapped heart. I hope you guys enjoy this program. I hope you're able to wrap up some hearts to use for decorations. And we will see you guys next time. Have a great day.